Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open the July dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. So two separate subscriptions. I actually have a coupon code BRONZE2, which I'll put somewhere on the screen and in the description box below the video. $2 off your first box or $2 off anything on their website. So I'm going to put the box aside. I'm going to open the bag. So the bead bag is $8 a month, and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. So let me separate them out. Ooh, I love that green. And they are just beautiful, high quality, super check fire polish beads, and you can get quite a collection going with this little $8 bag. And a dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder July items through August 2020 for $1 a strand. I've never seen them so reasonable and just beautiful. 50 beads a strand. So we'll start with the 3mm. So I have opaque white rose gold luster. It's beautiful. I mean, all the fire polish beads are just gorgeous. Turquoise half bronze luster. Really pretty. Aqua blue zircon. This is gorgeous. I love blue zircon. I think it's such a beautiful bead. A beautiful color. Look at that. Love. And emerald half bronze. This is a beautiful emerald bead with the half bronze coating. Gorgeous. Okay, 4mm. So we have aqua blue zircon. Okay, so 3s and 4s. You know, I love it. That's like immediate designing. Aqua blue zircon, gorgeous. Just love that color. Put that with a Swarovski blue zircon bicone or a crystal. It's perfect. Like, you know, a Rivoli. Emerald half bronze. So how's that? We got 2 now. Look at how gorgeous the emerald half bronze is in the 4mm, and here's the 3mm. Like I said, instant designing because you use the same colors in different size beads, and it goes together so nice. Love it. I love, love, love that they're doing that. Topaz vintage silver. That's cool. It's very vintage looking. It looks like it was, you know, it was covered in a wash, like a topaz or silver wash over the topaz. Pretty, very like a cool wash over a warm colored bead. Love it. Alabaster sage luster. This is what I had my eye on the second I opened the bag. I love this. Reorder list. So what I do is I just write down everything from here that I want to reorder, and then I just put my order in. And so it looks like these 5 will be on my reorder list, but you know, you never know. All right, so I'm going to put these aside. I'm going to get the box and we'll open it up. Be right back. Okay, so here's the box. I've taken everything out. I freed a couple of strands, so I cut them, and I'll show you those in a bit. We're going to start with the strands. Here are the other beads. I'll put these aside. And here's the letter. So before we start, the bead box is as little as $18.50 a month, but it goes up. It depends on how long your subscription is. You can get free shipping. So you really have to check the website. So I put links down below. Again, I have that BRONZE2 code, $2 off your first box, bag, or anything on their site. Here's our letter. So they're talking about here in the Midwest, the weather has been beautiful for a few days, and it's nice to get outside, to wear your jewelry while you're outside, which is nice also. And then they say, this is very cute, the 4th of July this year was probably not as, you know, crazy and festive as usual. So on a brighter note, they give you a few days to add to your July holiday list. International Joke Day, World UFO Day, National Bikini Day, National Kitten Day, Love Gorgeous Grandma Day, and then National Ice Cream Month. That's my favorite. So that is adorable. So cute. So here's our list. Let's go through the strands first. So here are my strands that I cut. And these are 10mm lentils, and they're just so pretty. I wanted you to see how gorgeous these lentil beads are. And these are, you get 25 pieces, and it's jet travertine or alabaster travertine. Of course, I have the jet. The alabaster's got to be gorgeous. So if you get alabaster, post it on my Facebook page. I really want to see it. Gorgeous. Love it. That is a beautiful big bead. Looks like a stone, doesn't it? And then a check glass druck, 8mm amethyst, 25 pieces. So a very pretty glass bead. Nice big round glass bead. And then we have a twisted rondelle. This is the other strand that I cut, because sometimes it's just, you can't really see it up close when it's on a strand, so I just want to show you. So it's twisted. So if it's even hard to see it now, but look at that color. Look how gorgeous that is. Dark aqua, 40 pieces, 5 by 6mm. Beautiful. It's a really pretty bead. And then Lucerne bicone, 6 by 6mm in avocado green, 25 pieces. Love. I totally love these. These are so pretty. We have to pull them all out from over the months, and like maybe just make a multi-strand necklace out of it, because they're just so pretty. Or maybe a wrap bracelet. That would be pretty too. They're so unusual. I really love them. And then we have 6mm check glass ribbed round, crystal aqua gold, 25 pieces. So this looks a little bit like a melon bead to me. So pretty, like gold wash and gold inside as well. That aqua color, very pretty. And then we have 6mm check glass druck in olive. I love anything olive. Olive green is such a beautiful color. So this looks really pretty with this, with the amethyst. Gorgeous. Very, very pretty. And then 3mm dyed jade. So this is an actual gemstone, jade, and it's dyed this really beautiful green. It's like an emerald green. Look at that. That's a big, long strand, 14 to 15 inches. It's a lot of beads. Use this anywhere you use a 3mm bead. It's perfect. Okay, so let's look at the additional items. So we have a 14mm mother of pearl trefoil pendant, and if you know what a quatrefoil or quatrefoil, however you pronounce it, is, this is the 3-petal, so I guess a trefoil, and it's mother of pearl, and it's a pendant already. It's got a wrapped loop on it. I just throw that on a chain and call it a day. That's adorable. And then we have 16 to 24mm dyed bamboo coral, abstract tube. That's this guy. Look at this color. Wow. That's very unusual. So very cool to have that pop of red and that unusual bead. I might even use this for a tassel. You know, have the tassel coming this way, put a pearl on the bottom or some kind of tube. It's perfect. Really pretty. Very unusual beads. Sometimes it gets that it's just very nice to have in your stash for when you're like looking for something that's different. So where am I? Okay, check glass button, 11mm, crystal golden shadow. So this is a very small little button. So a 10mm button, and it's, 11mm button, and it's all check glass, and just perfect like for the end of a bracelet. So let's say you make a bracelet, you can put, just put an ending on like that, button here, loop on the other end, and you're done. And then we have a 12mm round shell pearl in Tahitian blue. So I didn't know what a shell pearl was, so I looked it up. And a shell pearl is a actually created pearl, but it's made from mother of pearl, so it's actually made from the inside of an oyster shell, right? And then I guess it's compressed. I don't know how they do it, and then it's coated, and it looks like a Tahitian pearl. Look how gorgeous that is. If this was a real Tahitian pearl, it'd be like $10,000 or something. How pretty that is. Love that. That's gorgeous. Very pretty. 3 by 6mm check glass ribbed rondelle in amethyst. So another little ribbed rondelle. So just like just sort of a basic little taste of some rondelles, little accent beads that you can use. You can use it with this. You can use it with the truck bead. I love these colors together. So very nice to have those. And then a Chinese carved bone pendant. Size varies, so yours will probably be different than mine, but here it is. I would just put that on a leather cord and call it a day. That's very pretty. And then a vintage crystal German pendant with an anchor. So 18 by 26 millimeter. So this is vintage crystal, and it is a pear shape. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's an anchor etched in there. It's like cut right in there. And then it's got like fluting around the edges. So that is really pretty. I mean, that would be pretty maybe on the end of a sun catcher, you know, put in the window. I wonder if that would give off rainbows. It might. Very, very interesting. And then check glass melon beads. And these are 5 millimeter in jet. Just get 10 pieces, but again, another little taste, things that, you know, you can use on a pair of earrings or a little accent bead. Okay, so those are very cute. And then we have 10 to 13 millimeter Keshi pearls. And these are in burgundy. And I believe that a Keshi pearl, so we've got quite a few pearls here. Interesting pearls are also made of mother of pearl. I could be wrong, but really pretty. They look like freshwater pearls, however, I don't know if that's what they are. They have a beautiful glow. Look at that, it's like a copper, even though it's burgundy, it's got like a copper glow. I love these. I would just love these as a pair of earrings. Just put them on a head pin or an eye pin with a little dangle. Perfect. Very pretty. And the some Lucerna bicones. And these are also 6 millimeters, so these look a little different than our others. So you get just 10 pieces. These are white opal travertine. I love these. These are on my reorder list. I think these are perfect for fall. A little bit different shape, unless, maybe not. No, probably not. So 6 millimeter, these are beautiful. I love these. So tiny. This is definitely going on the reorder list, along with those lentils, I think. And then 10 to 14 millimeter dyed bamboo coral chip. Get 2. And again, a very unusual little grouping right here that would go together somehow. Very, very interesting to have in your stash. So there we go. Here's our box. Here's our bag. So bag is here, box is here. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Always fun, always interesting to see what they come up with. Don't forget to check the website down below. Don't forget the coupon code. Check it out, see if it's right for you, see if you like it. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.